Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to work on a 76 up to 50. If you guys notice, I got some shirts. If you guys are interested, our email address is stmechanic1@gmail.com. So I'm going to take you guys walking around the truck, show you guys what I've gotten done so far, and go from there. I'm Rich, and this is your mechanic. Alright, here's the front of it. You guys have seen the front already. Got a typical little bit of rust here. Usual. I got a panel from CJ Pony Parts. It's the panel that goes right in here. I mean, it's just enough for me to shut the hood. I mean, it's got the typical rust. Rotted out. Rust on in there. I mean, it's not raw, it's not bad. These are new fenders. And yes, it is a 3/4 ton. So, the doors are in good shape. I'll show you guys that in a second. And the doors are really nice. Cab corner is pretty decent. Rocker panel's in good shape. Even the inside, rocker panel is really good. It's not bad. I mean, this door here is a little crummy. It needs a little bit of work. But overall, it's not too bad. Don't mind the dogs barking. Yeah, the floor's been repaired. Got some screws in it. That's approved. Okay with it. Rust. I mean, this thing didn't have any floors at all when I got it. A little bit of look inside the interior. I gotta fix that. Glass is intact. There's the hood. Bed's kind of crummy. It needs some work, but it's an old truck. I'm not really too worried about it. See the peekaboo hole right there. What's up, Scoob? Say hi, Scoopa-Doopa. So, back here, the bed had some work done. Don't mind the dog. Nice wheels. Back of the truck. Pretty nice. Like the bumper. If you guys are in the mood for, or in a market rather, for a good used car, check out this guy here. He's in McKeesport. James Kenny, good guy. Hi, Lucy. Come back here. Bed was worked. Bed's got a couple holes in it. I got to get some panels. It is a 3/4 ton. You can cut the lug nuts. Hi, Lucy. And say hi to everybody. Oh, cool girl. It does have a rear axle flip, and I'll get that in a minute. Get to that in a second. So you come up this side, see the rocker panel's not in bad shape. Door's not in bad shape. Again, that's a new fender. Lucy approves. You got ball goo. So rocker's in good shape. The floor's been patched. There really wasn't a floor in here whenever I got it. And these are factory replacement panels. They're zip screwed. I think Dalton from Poor Barn Garage put this together. That's pretty cool. Gotta have the foot. Like that. The bottom of the door isn't bad. Scoob approves. Take a quick glance through the interior. Just a basic work truck. Nothing fancy. Dashboard's complete. AM radio. That's cool. No air. The tack is aftermarket. That's fine. Factory dash. Glass is in good shape, which is pretty rare for these trucks. Wind up windows. This is showing that it has 77,000 miles. Let me know what you guys think down below. Comment down below and let me know what you think. I mean, the pad's not worn. It could be 77,000. I like the steering wheel. Cool turn signal knob. That's approved. It wasn't automatic on the column. Somebody took it off and made it automatic on the floor. And added that neat shifter. That's approved. So now we're gonna go back outside. And I'll do a cold start for you guys. What do you think, Lucy? Can you do a cold start? Yeah. Yeah, this has been lowered. It's a new fender. Got some rust. Typical rust. Yeah, the rad support's rotted out. I gotta get a new rad support. I mean, it's kind of deleted. It's Bluetooth. That's always cool. There's the factory 390. In the last video, if you guys look up in the last video, you will see that there is a black carburetor runner. I bring this up is, you know, I get it. Like I work a full-time job. We're pinching pennies at times, trying to live from paycheck to paycheck, and you're cruising around through the Jungle website, and you had a couple beers, and as you're going through there, you find this carburetor, and it's like, it's an Edelbrock knockoff. Don't buy it. Just don't. I bought one, and I'll show you. It was like a $99.15 something. It was $189. I mean, it was a steal. It was a steal. But the carburetor's shit. Here, let me show you. I don't have the carb at question, but I bought this, which is a calibration kit I bought off from Amazon. Yeah. Had the meteor rods in it, had the springs in it, had the jets in it, everything in it. And basically what I was doing was I tried everything. I changed the meteor rods, I changed the springs, I changed the jets. No matter what I did with this carburetor, it would idle. As soon as you would hit the gas pedal, go right on its face. Every time. Drove me crazy. So I went looking through all my junk. Yeah, I gotta clean it up. So up there, went over here, and I found this laying on my shelf. So I said, why not? So I bolted it on, right out of the box, put it on, and it runs great. So if you give me 1 second, I'm going to do a cold start for you guys, and then I'm going to show you the rest of the truck. So let me see if I can prop you up here. Let me try. Actually, you know what? I'm an idiot. Hold on a minute. I'm an idiot. The wife's going to have a lot of editing to do, which is fine. Yep. Sorry, I haven't used my stand in a while. So, forgive me if I make a mess out of this. So, we're going to do a cold start and see what you guys think. Hold on 1 second. choke's a little funky. Still trying to work that out. There she is. Runs a lot smoother with the Edelbrock carburetor on it. She got glass packs on it. Yes, you don't sound bad. Decent oil pressure, which I'm going to put a gauge in. That's a little bit low for an idle. I'm going to turn that up. That's a little bit too to do. Usually run, yeah, about 850, 900, about right. That's pretty good. Gotta get up the temperature. I just wanted to show you guys what I was up to today. Sounds pretty cool. I'll shut that off for a minute. Hi, Lucy. You like it? Yeah? One thing about this truck, and you guys can tell me down below in the comments, this has an axle flip, okay? And you can't buy a regular 70s Ford truck in a short bed. Don't exist, especially in a 3/4 ton. You can buy it a cab and a half short bed. You can buy a crew cab 4-wheel drive, or not 4-wheel drive, I'm sorry, 4-door short bed, but you can't buy a regular 3/4 ton 2-wheel drive truck in a short bed. They shorten the frame. That's pretty cool. So let me go underneath here and I'll show you guys what they did. Gotta move Scoob. I don't know if you guys can see under here or not, but as you can see, they did the traditional axle flip. Usually that is on top, so they lowered it. The frame looks pretty good. I've been under it already. Gas tank looks okay. It's got the 3-piece drive shaft way up there, which I can't really get up to it real good. You can see it right there. Part tailpipe there. Yeah. It is a 3/4 ton truck, and he lowered it. New brake lines, because I don't want to do brake lines. That's great. I said, it's a project. Huh. That's the reason why my tellies don't work. We'll just ignore that for now. Big hole in the frame. I mean, hole in the bed. Oh, yeah, she's a work in progress. So, I'll scoop. So, I'll do it better on this side, I think. So, we'll come over here, I think. I'll show you guys. Yeah, right here, you can see right there is where they whacked the frame and moved it forward. So they did a really good job. See, yeah, they did a really good job. Like, the frame's not bad. Sorry, it's starting to get dark where I'm at in Pittsburgh. But there's the exhaust. There's the 2 3-piece drive shaft. There's all the zip screws. That's approved. Yeah. Yeah. And I think they heated the springs in the front and lowered the truck down. I think they out there and they went. So, yeah. And here, I'll show you guys something else. Get back up if I can. Ow.
Oh, what up, Bob?
Hey, Taj. There's Taj. Say hello, Taj, to YouTube.
Are you recording?
Yes.
What's up, YouTube? I just got off work. Subscribe to Shade Tree Mechanic. What is it? 1979 8962.
Thanks,
Like,
sir.
subscribe, hit that follow button, every notification. Tell
Yeah.
them to, Scoop. Tell them.
Yeah, tell them.
Tell 'em.
Every notification helps out the channel, right?
Every noti. It really does.
Every like, every comment.
Yep.
Thanks, Taj. Hope you had a good day at work.
I did. Thank you, Bob.
You're welcome. And as you can see, that cab mount kind of made like Elvis and left the building. Both sides.
Brother.
Well, everybody's out here. Say hi to YouTube, right? Say bye to YouTube.
Where are y'all going?
Brother Ho.
Hey, that's gonna take him.
Say, everybody's leaving. It's like a party.
I guess I'm leaving.
You don't have to leave if you don't want to, Taj.
Alright, I'll just chill here and watch.
Yeah, this cab mount gone too. Hey! Hey!
Bro, this is not working.
What do you... Flip the breaker? Alright guys, I think I'm going to end the video. I got to help the wife. She's working on the pool. So I got to help her. Just want to show you guys what I was doing. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.